have to draw parallel to this line, hydrogen over here. Now hydrogen below the plane I will draw, hydrogen below the plane over here now. At fourth position, fourth position I will come above the plane, so it's obvious it will point above the plane. Below the plane hydrogen, so it will be equatorial below the plane. At fifth position now, above the plane. Above the plane means that will be pointing here, equatorial above the plane, and below the plane axial. Sixth position, remaining sixth position above the plane and below the plane. I am pointing below the plane parallel to this one, okay, below the plane. So in this way I have drawn all hydrogens present on this system. Okay, now after flipping you have to write whatever this thing present over here. Okay, now I will draw all hydrogens present simple. Okay, so now this is the scene of whatever your the whatever you got your flat conformer of 1 chloro 2 methyl cyclohexane system. Okay, so be peculiar that you should be properly drawn this one all for 4 to 5 6 times. You have to check out whether you have whatever you have drawn that is proper or no. So now we are going to see what is the anti-periplanar relationship for the elimination reaction. Okay, so you have in yesterday's lecture we have seen that the groups which are going to eliminate, they should be anti to each other. Okay, they should be placed anti to each other. Anti means in short they should be placed trans to each other, and they should having 180 degrees centigrade angle in between those eliminating group. Now here if you will pay attention, okay, so what we are normally in elimination, which groups are eliminating, like the groups like the HCl group, HBr, like these groups they are eliminated. Okay, HCl, HBr. So here luckily we have taken the example in which chlorine is present. Okay, so chlorine is present. So now we have to remove one hydrogen and chlorine atom. Okay, so so we have to go for the elimination. So but for to eliminate this thing we need to place chlorine and hydrogen on adjacent carbon atom. Okay, so they should be the anti-periplanar, they should be anti to each other in cyclohexane system. So anti-periplanar relationship it will come only when you can draw the cyclohexane system properly. Okay, in this system only you can go for anti-periplanar, then only you can come to know which is anti-periplanar. Now you can see chlorine present here at axial position. Okay, here you can see I will draw it with this line. Chlorine is present axial. The substituent should be the axial. The eliminating group should be present at the axial. So here only chlorine is present as axial position. Here chlorine is present equatorial position. So here you cannot say this is anti group. We cannot consider equatorial chlorine for the elimination. So the thing is chlorine should be present at the axial position. Then only this conformer only go for the elimination reaction. This conformer is not going to show in elimination reaction because chlorine is in equatorial conformation. Okay, so chlorine is here at axial position. Now we have to go for two adjacent carbon atoms. Which are those adjacent carbon atoms? Here is one adjacent for first carbon atom, second one and sixth one carbon atom, they are adjacent. So for here, for first one, this carbon atom, and we have to consider this carbon atom only. Okay, because chlorine is present on first position, so adjacent carbon atoms is this second carbon atom and sixth carbon atom. We cannot consider third, fourth, fifth is not for use for the elimination of chlorine. Later we will see how to come third, fourth and fifth carbon atom. So first we will consider second and sixth carbon atom. So I have drawn here second and sixth carbon atom. Now we have to check out which hydrogen is anti to this chlorine atom. Okay, so here you can see one hydrogen which is present on 6 carbon atom. This is anti to the chlorine. So these two are completely opposite to each other. So these two groups are hydrogen and chlorine. They are completely opposite. They do have the angle in between these two, H and chlorine. It's exactly 180 degrees centigrade. Okay, this angle is 180 degrees centigrade. The At second position, methyl is present at axial and hydrogen is equatorial. So we cannot say hydrogen is ready to eliminate to as with chlorine HCl. So only this H and this chlorine can eliminate because these are anti to each other, having 180 degree centigrade angle. On second position, hydrogen is equatorial, so we cannot eliminate this one. This will not going to eliminate because this is stable. Why they are getting eliminated? Because this hydrogen and chlorine, they are anti position, they are axially placed. That's why they are unstable. Okay, as they are placed axially, so they are totally unstable. And as they are unstable, the molecule, this molecule is getting always try to get always try to achieve stability by eliminating these bulky groups or eliminating these. This chlorine is bulky, that this molecule always will always will try to remove this chlorine, and it will try to get stabilize. Okay, so by eliminating chlorine and hydrogen which is placed at axial, so they will suddenly they are getting removed. Okay, and then there is a formation of carbon carbon double bond over here. By eliminating this one, only you are getting olefin formation over here. Okay, you cannot get, you cannot eliminate this hydrogen and you cannot get carbon carbon double bond here, but instead you will get carbon carbon double bond formation is here. So here elimination reaction, only one possibility, this hydrogen can remove, which is placed axially. Now we if we will switch to the second flipped molecule. Okay, why we are going to draw all these two? Because we need to compare what will be the stereochemistry after elimination, whether this hydrogen is is getting removed, or this hydrogen is at 6 carbon atom hydrogen is better to remove, or at second position carbon atom, so second position hydrogen atom is better to remove. So this structure gives very proper answer. Okay, which group we have to remove, which is anti-placed to each other, which has 180 degree centigrade angle, that groups are going to definitely remove. So this is preferred structure for elimination. Now we will see flipped molecule. Okay, in flipped molecule, if you will pay attention, in this one, chlorine is present at equatorial position. Okay, chlorine is present at here, because at that one is present at equatorial position, the 80% possibility of elimination of this chlorine is finished, because at equatorial position this is more stable. Okay, this is more stable, this is more stable. Here this is unstable. This chlorine is unstable, so it will try to remove easily. As this is stable, we cannot, our molecule cannot leave this one very well. Okay, it is a stable form. So stable conformer always, it's not active. Okay, this stable conformer, always stable things are it's not active, they are lazy, so they don't react very well, or they are not active, so yeah, lazy, it's always in sleeping mode. So this is unstable, so it's active, it's unstable, and that one is trying to achieve the stability by removing this chlorine atom. Okay, once chlorine atom will remove, the carbon carbon double bond will form here, then molecules get stable. Okay, so keep this all these things in your mind. Okay, now here we will come again to whether this chlorine is anti-periplanar or no. So no, this chlorine is not uh, uh, what anti-periplanar, but this one is in periplanar. For this one, this group is in anti-position. This group is in anti. This carbon carbon single bond is in anti-position. So we cannot eliminate chlorine and carbon carbon single bond. Okay, so here the possibility of elimination is vanish. So you can ask me now, maybe if this is what equatorial, so can't we eliminate equatorial group, equatorial hydrogen atom? So here is Okay, on first and we always consider sixth and second position. No, here also we consider sixth and second position. So maybe you can say, okay, can't we remove this hydrogen? This hydrogen, there is no equatorial axial, cannot eliminate. So maybe there is possibility equatorial. But the thing is, the angle in between these two hydrogen here and here, it's 30 degrees centigrade. It's almost 30 degrees centigrade. So 30 degrees centigrade, this angle is not what ideal angle for the elimination. So ideal angle for elimination is 180 degrees centigrade. You can find over here only. Okay, and these things. So whenever question is asking about elimination reaction, you have to write down these two chair conformation. Explain why this chair conformations undergoes the elimination, why not this one is going undergo elimination, and why the product is forming, why the olefin is forming in between carbon number 1 and second, and why the olefin is not forming in between carbon number 1 and 2. So this is the reason. So elimination, for elimination, this chlorine is preferred the hydrogen from sixth position, not from the second position. Okay, so for elimination, this chlorine prefers hydrogen from sixth position and not from the second position. So this is the answer. Now we will go one by one for all those three different chair conform or three different conformer, which one is the most stable. So I will write now